Hey guys, so I just got the Halloween key when I just joined this game, so that's good. Anyway, so the reason I didn't make a video yesterday is because in case you guys didn't know, I'm a kid, okay? I'm in 4th grade and we have a lot to do. So I was doing a science fair thing, and sorry if it sounds a little fuzzy on the video. I don't know what's happening right now. I just got the Windows 10, so wait, whatever. X and that. Okay, so sorry guys, this is no, I don't know. It does this all the time. Anyway, guys, so I'm gonna be making this video, and this is for tomorrow, and I'm gonna make another video after this. So let's get started. And what I'm going to be doing after this, guys, is, let's see, what team we're on. I could just hit tab, but what's the fun of, oh, okay. We're in orange. Oh, that didn't work out at all. So anyway, guys, so, needs a shotgun. Shotguns are cool. In case you watch my other videos, you guys know that I like shotguns. Not because it's really easy to use, just like the fact that, okay, it didn't do enough damage for him to actually, oh, that's good. Okay, thanks buddy, you saved my butt there. Okay, oh, what, orange? I thought it was just, you guys saw, oh, there was somebody in it. Oh, that's not good. Oh, man. Come on, buddy. Yay. Okay. Anyway, guys, so, I'm going to be making another 5 vids after this one, the next one, and that one. So, it's going to be on the 12th. It's going to be December 10th. 2017, so I'm going to be making the jailbreak. It's going to be jailbreak in case I've heard a lot of you guys like jailbreak now. What is, okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to be doing that, jailbreak, and yeah, and if I do like switch concepts or something, I stop playing Roblox or I play different games, and you guys may like them. I don't know. Just leave in the comments if you guys start not liking them. Because, obviously, guys, I'm going to do what you guys want. Because, yeah. So, I'm just doing this because I had one person, say that Phantom Forces. So, and then I said I was going to do Wolf Tanks. Changed my mind because I checked out Jailbreak and a lot of people like it now. So, yeah. I'm just going to be doing that. In case you guys didn't know, just try the shotgun. Just try it. I mean, it may not be the best aimer, but it's really good. Watch this. There's a guy. Is there a guy? Aw, man, I was just about to kill him. You guys saw that. Oh, I see now. Who's here? Oh, is there like a person here? I'm like nervous. Can you guys hear it? You can hear it. Oh. There's a person. I think. I've done a lot with this gun. Obviously you can see it has a suppressor. I mean, tell me that's not wrong. I died. I knew it. I knew there was a person. So, yeah. Oh, so this is gonna be I'm gonna be using a shotgun part 2. So we got this round, and I'm gonna get a new gun, guys. I'll work a lot in my next video. Not my next, but my last video. I'll have a really good gun. I promise you guys. That'll be tomorrow, and I will have a really good gun. I'm not even lying to you guys. See this shotgun? Yeah, see that? I can stay. Ooh, I can take a minigun. Huh, why not? Let's try something. Let's see how good I am with this gun. In case you guys didn't know, I never really used this gun, so... Oh, not that good. Well, not the gun's fault necessarily, mine. I have that gun, it's just, I never really used it. And, in case you guys didn't know, I will update you as soon as possible because I'm saving up for I have a lot of money because I'm saving up for one special sniper that is going to cost me a lot of money. Oh, I saw him. Yeah, I saw me. I looked at him. I just didn't think I could shoot him. Probably would have been smarter if I tried to shoot him. But they would know that I tried, guys. They would know. Come on, let's go. So I'm only going to do this guy 10 minutes. Remember, last video, I lied. And I just posted that today. For one reason, guys. And today is Today's December 8th. And my last video is going to be on December 9th. Then we're going to start Jailbreak on December 10th. And just in case you're watching this video in a long time, it's going to be... Yeah, see that? See that? I got so lucky. I'm at 4 health, guys. Okay, I need to get somewhere safe. Instead of up here where everybody can see me. Yeah, that's not good. I can literally die by falling off one little edge. So let's just sit right here. Okay, that's not a good guy. Okay, but anyway, okay. I'm nervous. Anyway, if I die, then whatever. So, yeah, soon it's going to be only 10 minutes, hopefully. So, I can't guarantee you, but I will really try to have that really good gun. And, you know, that's all I'm going to be using on my, not the next video, because I'm making that today so I can catch up, but the video after that. Yeah, see, man? Am I the only one that's hearing footsteps? Oh! That's me! Wow, way to go. Okay, I'm very bad with the footsteps. Who's or who's. So, yeah, guys. This is kind of... Oh, this is bad. He's dead. Okay, he's a dead guy. So, he's good. He's dead, he's good. That's good to me. Oh, dang it. Let's get up here. He is here. Everybody thinks this is kind of a... Not everybody, but a lot of people think this is kind of a safe place. But... because it's on a high roof. But if everybody thinks that, they're all gonna go here. And we're all gonna die. Yeah, see that, man? Don't mess with me. Oh yeah, and my friend, he asked me, he said, why? He said, this is his question. He said, okay, I died. He said, why is it I try to shoot people from a distance with a shotgun, and they can shoot me from a shotgun from a real big distance and kill me, but when I shoot them from a big distance with a shotgun, I can't kill them. And he said, why is that? You know what I said? The answer they got, guys, is because you're not a good aim. And because you're not doing headshots. Okay, this gun requires headshots. Okay, you can't literally snipe someone from this far away with a shotgun that sprays all over. You have to be a good aim. See, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna die, guys. I'm literally probably... Let's try to find a sniping gun. Anybody got it? No? Okay. Let's just go right here then. Oh, somebody just went over there. Okay, I guarantee there's gonna be somebody. I knew it! I knew it! Oh, dang it! I shot it! Anyway, guys, it's almost 10 minutes, so... Yeah, and in my last video, I will be opening a Halloween case. I got 2 keys. Wow. So I will be opening a Halloween case, guys, for the last video, and that's it, guys.